Well, hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to put together a twin size bed. We bought this online, doesn't come with any instructions, but it's very easy to put together. So let me show you how to do it. So guys, all you're going to do is slide these metal pieces right here in this little slit. It has two little bars that are holding these pieces up. You also want to make sure that this little L is pointing towards the inside because this is what's going to hold your mattress onto your bed. So all you'll have to do is put the metal teeth into the slots in the headboard legs and make sure they hook into the metal rods in the slots. You might have to move the headboard some in and out in order to make it fit. This bed is for our son. He's going to be getting his first big boy bed, and I need to finish this before he comes home from school today. Then you'll do the same thing for the footboard and go ahead and place the metal teeth in the slot, hook it in there. After you've placed the metal teeth in there, then you can press down and make sure that it's fully locked in before you go on to the next step. I have put one of these together without making sure that they had locked in perfectly, and it fell at the last step, so you want to make sure you push these down before you go on and do anything else. Now that you have your frame together, you can go ahead and put down whatever you have to give it some support. Ours can come with anything, so one easy way you can do this is just to measure this distance right here, and then you're going to cut some 1x4s or 2x4s to give it some stability, or even a piece of plywood, so again, that when your child sleeps on here, it's not going to fall through. For this example, I just decided to use some 1x4s, but you can use plywood or any other item that will give it some support. So if your bed didn't come with any supports, one easy way is just to go get some 1x4s. Cut them to the length that you need. Again, make sure they hang over that lip and they have some support on either side, and then you can just kind of put them in a rail and they should be good to go. So once you have your supports where you'd like them, you can go ahead and add your box spring, your mattress, or whatever you have to put on top of here, and you should be good to go.
I love it.
Do you like your bed?
Yeah.
Well, if this video is helpful for you, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. You can also check out another video over here, and I'll see you over there.